How to write 0.84375 as a fraction in simplest form. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. We have 5 digits, so write 510. After decimal, we have 5 digits, so we have written 510 as a multiplication, of course. Now we need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? If you want to simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This number is divisible by 5. This number also divisible by 5. This number is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This number is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. So if you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2. If you divide this number by 5, what you will get? Look at here. Let me show you the result. 5 goes into 8. 1 time 5, 5. Subtract 3. Bring down this 4. 5 goes into 34. How many times? 6 times. 6 times 5. 30. Subtract 4. Bring down this 3. 5 goes into 43. How many times? 8 times. 8 times 5. 40. Subtract 3. Bring down the next digit 7. 5 goes into 37. How many times? 7 times. 7 times 5. 35. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next digit. 5 goes into 25. How many times? 5 times. Okay. So basically we are getting this number. Again, look at here. This number is divisible by 5. This number is divisible by 5. So I'll get 2 here. But we need to find out. 5 goes into 16. How many times? 3 times. 3 times 5, 15. Subtract 1. Bring down this digit. 5 goes into 18. So again 3 times. 3 times 5, 15. 3. Subtract. Bring down this. 5 goes into 37. 7 times. 7 times 5. 35. Okay. Subtract 2. Bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25. How many times? 5 times. So we are getting here 3375. Okay. Again, move. This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. I will get 2 here, but now find out by 5. 5 goes into 33. How many times? 6 times. 6 times 5, 30. Subtract 3. Bring down this 7. 5 goes into 37. How many times? 7 times. 5. Subtract 2. Bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25. 5 times. So we are getting here 675. Again, this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. I'll get 2 here, and I will get what? 5 goes into 6 one time. 1 time 5. 5. Subtract 1. Bring down this 7. Goes into 3. 3 times 5, 15. Subtract 2. Bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25. 5 times. So we are getting 135. Again, this is divisible by 5, and this is also divisible by 5. I will get here, goes into 13. How many times? 2 times. 3, 7. That is 27. Now write 27 divided 2 times to 4, 4 times to 8, 8 times to 16, 16 times to 32. There, the only common factor between 27 and 32 is 1. So we can say that this is the reduced form or simplified form or simplest form.